Hey everybody! I'm so excited because we are here today at Ballet Palm Beach and this totally encompasses everything I'm talking about. Here we go.
From the corner, tombe pas de bourrée, brisé volée, cabriole. So tombe pas de bourrée, brisé volée, cabriole close fifth, failli assemblée. And that little traveling assemblée that Lily did the other day. Tombe pas de bourrée, brisé volée, cabriole close fifth, failli pas de bourrée, brisé volée, cabriole close fifth, failli. All right. Let's do it in fours in a box. Across the room. Okay. First four ladies standing there will be great. Ready, fifth. Hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Same way. Next group, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Brisé, volée, cabriole, close fifth, failli. Yes. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Very nice. 1, 2. Left. 1, 2. Ready, left. 6, 7, 8. Very nice. And 1, 2. You can see the ones that have been trained with that kind of ballon, they're not struggling. The others are struggling. Exactly. The floor is hitting them under the chin.
Exactly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They have that cushioning. 4. And the others hit. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. 8. 1, 2. Ready and 6 and 7. Wait, gentlemen. Ready, gentlemen. Brisé, volée, cabriole, assemblée. Cabriole lands in arabesque. Then we close, then we failli assemblée. Gentlemen, one more time, please. One more time, please. To the left. Gentlemen. Cabriole, land, failli. Cabriole, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cabriole, land. Better. Okay, ready? Well, he hasn't done it yet, so that's what. It's that same example. His chest is on the floor. His hips are on the floor. He's not going to the floor. A lot of you, we're going to get there. Some of you are just struggling with that kind of movement. You get, and it's just lack of understanding of what your body should do. But we'll go there. Not today, but maybe next week.
If this is your first time to the channel, we would love it if you subscribed. This channel is all about helping you dance better. This is both for you teachers and students. Again, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.